It looks like we got to go up unless you want to take the escape ladder down. Okay, here we go. Oh, great. Oh, geez. Oh, my God. Oh, Angelo, this one is not fun. Dang it. This one's going to take a long foot reach. And Angelo, when you're doing your hand holds, use the ones that are attached to the ropes. Don't use this top one as a hand hold, okay? Yeah. Use the bottom two as your hand holds, and do a long stretch with your foot to get to the middle. Otherwise, there's nothing solid underneath your feet. You with me? Yeah. Okay. Oh boy. Oh man. I don't know an easier way to do this one. I mean, I guess you could just push down until the rope goes taut. I don't love that strategy. Yeah, I guess that sort of works. You could just push down till the rope goes taut. That's still, but your foot's gonna slide right off. I'm going all the way, Angelo. Now, it's hard. Yeah, well, don't feel under any pressure from them. Here, let me get off of this before you start going. Actually, maybe I should, I wish I could say I would try to help you, but there's no way I can help you.